Kia ora koutou katoa, nau mahuki maki pukero o Pāho.
We've got another awesome week of highlights to share with you, from the Rotorua Mini Marathon to some creative STEM learning happening across our kura.
Let's get straight into it.
Last Friday, some of our taonga took part in the Rotorua Mini Marathon.
It was awesome to see our tauira out there giving it their all, showing determination, resilience, and great sportsmanship. Hi, what's your name?
Manoa.
Are you excited for the mini marathon?
Yeah.
And can you say this is me before the mini marathon?
This is me before the mini marathon.
Hi, what's your name?
Karere.
Are you excited for the mini marathon?
Yep.
And can you say this is me before the mini marathon?
This is me before the mini marathon.
Thank you.
Brave little hearts, we tied our laces tight, looked each other in the eye. No one left behind as we took our place.
Hi, what's your name?
Ahikaya.
Are you excited for the mini marathon?
Yep.
And can you say this is me before the mini marathon?
This is me before the mini marathon.
Hi, what's your name?
Cora.
Are you excited for the mini marathon?
Yeah.
And can you say this is me before the mini marathon?
This is me before the mini marathon.
Hi, what's your name?
Ali.
Are you excited for the mini marathon?
Yes, very excited.
And can you say this is me before the marathon, before the mini marathon?
This is me before the mini marathon.
What's your name?
Jackson Lee.
Are you excited for the mini marathon?
Yeah.
And can you say this is me before the mini marathon?
This is me before the mini marathon.
This is me after the mini marathon.
What place did you think you come?
Like third?
6th or 7th?
This is me after the mini marathon.
What place do you reckon you came?
6th or 7th?
Rangi kapu, can I see your middle? Nice start.
This is me after the mini marathon.
And what place do you think you came?
I think I came like 5th or something.
Okay, thank you. Go, you got this!
Me after the marathon.
Do you reckon you came first place?
Nah.
I don't think so either.
Got this!
This is me after the mini marathon. Yay!
On my way. What place do you think you came?
Like 6 or 7.
Actually, Jai?
And this is me after the marathon.
What place did you come?
Like round 6.
Whether they're running, jogging, or walking, everyone who participated should be proud of themselves for taking part.
Ka pai to all our runners, you represented our kura with pride.
Next up, we're taking a look at the awesome Waihanga STEM rotations happening in our Pānio Marama Reorua classes.
Every Monday and Wednesday after lunch, rooms 6, 10, 11, and 13 take part in rotations where tauira move between different kaiako to learn new skills and activities.
It's kind of like a mini version of Tech Arts, but with STEM focus, involving science, technology, engineering, and creative problem solving.
It's also a great opportunity for our kaiako to share their own strengths and passion with tauira from across the different classes.
We're doing rotations with room 6, room 10, room 11, and room 13. And in this class, we are doing think it, shoot it, move it, and different STEM activities. I'm Tatakaya and I'm from room 11.
I'm Kiani, I'm from room 11.
And we're doing technology and science today.
with firepower and science, and all the class is doing technology and building like turbine and lighting some light bulbs and putting like fire and tapes blocks in it.
What's your name?
Sunday,
What are you doing right now?
doing like Kiriana,
What's your name?
Claude,
What are you doing right now?
Kiriana,
And what are we doing around the whole school?
rotations,
What days?
Mondays and
Ka mai te wihi. So much creativity, collaboration, and hands-on learning happening around our kura.
That's all for this week's edition of Pukeroa Pāho.
A big mihi to everyone who featured in today's stories and to all of you who continue to support our kura.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel so our whānau can stay connected with everything happening at Rotorua Primary.
Mauri ora, kia pai tō kōutou wiki, and we'll see you next time on Pukeroa Pāho.